Hey, let's take a look at an unusual case where we've got this negative distribution. So this subtraction sign in here, when we have that happen and I've got this distributive property, these parentheses here, this is a little bit unique how this works. And what I'd like you to do is actually change this problem and change this to an adding in here, and instead make that 2 a negative 2. And it'll make more sense if we do this, because what we have is inside of here, if I were drawing pictures of this, I would draw this as 1a and a 1, like this. And I'm going to draw this 2 times. Once, twice. That's what that 2 means, is that I do this 2 times. But the negative means that I'm going to end up doing the opposite of this, because negative 2 times a is negative 2a. So what it looks like on here is instead of having a positive a, I'm going to have a negative a. Notice how it's not colored in now? And instead of that being a 1, it's a negative 1. And this happens 2 times. So again, this is what I'm going to see in here. And I know it's confusing, but what we will end up having is, instead of a positive a and a 1, it ends up becoming a negative a and a negative 1. They turn into the opposites. And so this is what this picture is going to look like. And over here, I've got 9 a's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. So that's what I have, and when I want to combine this, I will notice that these 2 negative a's combine with those 2 positive a's to equal 0 and disappear, and what I'm just left with then is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these a's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm a little messy, that's alright, we get the idea. 7 a's, they're positive, and a negative 2. Negative 1 and negative 1 makes negative 2. And so now I'm going to put this back. What does this actually look like in the regular math language, right? Not in pictures. Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 a's minus 2. And notice how this negative 2 goes back to being shown as subtraction. 7a minus 2. And that would be the final answer. Now, I'd love to show you again, what is this problem going to look like if I don't draw pictures, because it might be easier to think that way. So I'm just going to show it again. I'm going to rewrite the problem. 9 a's minus 2 times a plus 1. This is our problem. And again, you're going to need to know that this is a negative 2 being distributed. So if we're just multiplying, this negative 2 times a becomes negative 2a, and negative 2 times 1 becomes negative 1. And so we see we get the same answer, and over here I've got my 9a. 9a minus 2a equals 7a. Oh, I made that mistake. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Did you catch that when I did it? Sorry about that. And so we have our final answer of 7a minus 2. Same as we had before, right? These are 2 different ways to look at it. Let me zoom out here so you can get a good picture of this. And then whatever works for you, whether drawing the pictures or just doing the traditional algebra works. All right, hope that helped. Good luck with the worksheet. Thank you.